Watch Miko the monkey's fun adventures every day. Don't forget to subscribe to Dreamy Toons Kids and hit the bell icon. Meet Major Momo, a 2.5-foot tall capuchin monkey and the most respected army officer in town. Wearing his crisp olive green uniform, shiny medals, polished boots, and signature green beret, Major Momo leads human soldiers with pride and discipline. At sunrise, he stands tall on his stool, barking orders through his megaphone as soldiers sweat through push-ups on the grass. After a sharp morning drill, Major Momo enjoys breakfast in the officer's mess, peeling bananas with one hand and sipping oatmeal with the other, medals gleaming in the morning sun. But soon, trouble strikes. A villager reports a theft. Without hesitation, Major Momo swings into action, questioning children with his magnifying glass and sketching plans for a banana trap on the strategy board. As night falls, Momo crouches in a trash can, night vision goggles on, tail curled tight, ready for the thief. When a sneaky raccoon pounces for the banana, Momo leaps high, triggering a net that traps the culprit. Victory is sweet. The town cheers, confetti rains down, and villagers wave banana-shaped balloons as Major Momo salutes proudly from a soldier's shoulders. At the grand ceremony, the mayor pins a golden banana medal on Momo's chest. Cameras flash and reporters crowd around as Momo shares his story. He even takes time to teach kids bravery on the playground, swinging from ropes with a cheeky grin. Later, under palm trees, Momo relaxes in a hammock, sipping coconut juice. But duty calls again. His banana-shaped phone rings. He springs into action, marching off confidently as kids wave flags behind him. Because Major Momo, the brave little monkey in an officer's uniform, reminds us all, true strength comes in all sizes. Respect, bravery, and bananas, they go hand in hand. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Dreamy Toons, and tap the bell so you never miss an adventure.